Organic Harvest Tea Tree Essential Oil is best essential oil for hair care. Welcome to our channel, Hair Zone Solution. The essential oil helps in removing the accumulated bacteria on the scalp that may cause numerous problems. Tea oil has been used since time eternal for its antimicrobial, antifungal, and anti-inflammatory benefits. The richness of this oil assists in numerous ways. As bad bacteria are a cause of a chain of problems, like acne, pimples, itchy scalp, lice production, infected cuticles, and whatnot, use of tea tree comes in handy. Irrespective of the differential nature of all these situations, Organic Harvest Tea Tree Essential Oil can be used in a diluted fashion to gain relief from the problem. Organic Harvest Tea Tree Essential Oil is best essential oil for hair care. Organic tea tree oil for skin acne is one of the most used remedies. The antibacterial and anti-inflammatory nature of pure tea trees makes it possible for the essential oil to not only eliminate contributing bacteria but also eventually lighten scars. Due to lack of nourishment right from the scalp, hair follicles tend to lose their strength, leading to hair fall. Tea tree oil for hair helps in unclogging the contaminated follicles and providing them essential nutrition. The miraculous nature of Organic Harvest Tea Tree Oil is because of its multifaceted therapeutic advantages. It can be used for body massages as well for aromatherapy. In both cases, the subtle smell of the oil will help calm down the mind. Since Organic Harvest Tea Tree Essential Oil has healing properties, it is often used to heal infections. Cuticles and nails are most susceptible to contracting bad bacteria, for which the anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties of organic tea trees are a boon. Natural tea tree oil is often associated with oral health as it has antimicrobial benefits. This ensures that bacteria contributing to foul breath are eliminated and breeding of good bacteria is promoted. The predominant role of antimicrobial properties of organic tea tree used in this oil is in treating facial acne. The soothing and aromatic nature of Organic Harvest Tea Tree Oil helps clear your mind, improves scalp and provides proper nutrition, reduces dandruff and gives healthier look. Organic Harvest Tea Tree Essential Oil is best essential oil for hair care. You will get the product link in the description box. To buy this product, just click on the link given below. Please like, share, and subscribe our channel, Hair Zone Solution.